It's a personal information. Next slide. So myself Shuchi Nanda, I'm married to Sachin Nanda. I'm blessed with a 17-year-old boy Rishi, and my birthplace is Nagpur, and my hobbies are singing, art, plantation. The topic of interest, I like to explore different exhibitions and market to upgrade my stuff and to get an idea regarding latest stuff in the market. And my business name is Lavanya Creations. We deal with corporate gifts, promotional gifts, decorative hampers, return favors for birthday and wedding, and reselling in home decor. Business forte, I believe in quality. We provide good quality. We don't compromise in quality, and we are into business for 6 years. Prior, I was an event manager and trainer at Pogo Channel. Educational qualification, I'm a BCom, and I've done diploma in interior designing from NIFD and post-graduation diploma in marketing and sales management. I'm good in networking, time management, communication, creation, and negotiation. These are the certificates of appreciation. And next slide, sir. The circle of influence, I have strong network as a reseller with dealers in various cities to procure their specialities. We have exclusive collaboration with brands like Raymond's and Nautica. And neighborhood, I am well connected with the Marwadi community and Maharashtrian community of Khamla and local vendors in Itwari. My goal is to make an impression by providing innovative products and attract more clients to provide latest home decor products in Nagpur. We would like to expand our horizon beyond Nagpur and to explore more of my creative side and start introducing variation in hampers and focusing on all Indian common festivals. These are my accomplishments. We had successfully exhibited my stuff in various cities apart from Nagpur, such as Chandrapur and Jhansi. We have been given a chance to explore our creative side and decorate the exhibition hall of Genda Fool exhibition at Hotel Center Point. I was invited by Rotary Club as a guest faculty to conduct a workshop, and I am a certified and trained craft trainer from Pogo Channel. My best customers are who are in search of wedding favors, who would like to have birthday return gifts, who wants to give their loved ones in a more beautiful and presentable way, who wants to upgrade their home by home decor, and of course who love to carry latest fashion with them. Examples of reference: anyone who has upcoming birthday or any events at their home, or who are planning to plan a grand event, and corporate housing solutions, and who love to change his or her wardrobe with every passing fashion and season. Customer types: we provide premium corporate gifting solutions, home decor. We can even more beautify the gifts of our customers through creative packing. We can provide customized hampers as per the requirements, season, festivals, and we suggest unique birthday and party favors to all our clients. My memory hook: some big gifts are big, some are small, but the ones that come from Lavanya Creations are the best amongst all. Once again, Lavanya Creations, Shuchi Nanda. Thank you so much.